Hey guys, in this video we'd like to show you some of the paste operations regarding calculation that are quite useful in Microsoft Excel. So say for example we had a column here, a column A in this case. We want to basically increase all of these values by say a value of 2. So it's very simple. Start off by on an empty cell off to the side here. We'll enter a value of 2 and we've just pressed Control Enter to remain on that cell. Simply copying that value of 2, the entire cell. Select the cells that you want to load by a value of 2. Now with those cells selected, on the Home tab, drop arrow for Paste, and we navigate to Paste Special. And notice over here under Operation, we'd simply choose Add. Clicking OK to this, notice how each of these values are increased by 2. Let's say for column B we want to basically take each of these values and divide them by 5. So if we enter the value of 5, Control Enter, if we were to copy that value, and then select this destination cells, drop arrow for paste, paste special, and in this case we would look to maybe, let's choose a subtract in this example, and then we click OK. Notice how it basically subtracts 5. We'll select the values in this column over here, column C, that value of 5 is still copied, drop arrow for paste, paste special, and we'll look to, in this case, multiply. Clicking OK, each of those values are multiplied by 5. Let's say, for example, in this last instance here, we'd like to take these values and divide them by, let's say, 10. So we take that value, enter it into a cell, copy the cell, select the destination cells in question, and just like before, drop arrow and paste, paste special, and we choose the operation of divide. Clicking OK, it takes each of those values and divides them by 10. Now another instance where this would potentially be useful is sometimes if you do exports from some sort of third-party program into Microsoft Excel, very typically, quite often what happens is dates themselves aren't actually formatted correctly. And it doesn't always happen, but it is an instance that there are situations where this does happen, where dates aren't interpreted correctly. So what you could theoretically do is go to each of these cells, click on it in the formula bar, press Enter, and force those to be seen as actual values, which causes an evaluation operation to happen. But a very much simpler way is to basically take a cell, enter a value of 1, and we copy that cell. Now these text dates over here, you'll notice that if we drop arrow for paste and go to paste special, if we look to multiply, so you're going to take each date and multiply by 1, you'll notice how it formats these dates now as a serial number. And dates themselves are actually serial numbers. All you would then have to do is simply apply the appropriate date format that you want, and notice that you now actually have dates entered, which means you'll be able to filter these values as proper dates. Alright guys, I hope you found that useful. Quick little tip and trick from Microsoft Excel. Look forward to catching you again in the near future, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for now. Ciao.